On your multi-terrain loader's positive drive system, the drive lug is the most critical part of the track. Camoplast's lowest operating cost solution for these machines means tracks designed to exceed the toughest OE specifications with maximum drive lug life. Camoplast HXD MTL tracks last 100% longer than standard tracks. Camoplast raises the bar to provide you with an HXD track solution that includes advanced single-cure technology, which utilizes endless cables sealed and secured in a one-phase process in circular molds, optimized drive lug geometry, and a superior rubber compound which provides extreme lug resistance against chunking and tearing. A heavy-duty all-rubber carcass constructed with perfect ply placement and a rugged synthetic fiber for maximum puncture resistance and lateral rigidity. Camoplast HXD tracks for MTLs are available in 2 innovative tread designs for optimized traction and ride quality. Finally, Camoplast's lowest operating cost solution has you covered with the industry's best MTL track warranty.